everything here in France is shut down, restaurants, bars, everything, so there isn't that much to do for a lot of people. But hey, I was lucky. I went on eBay and bought some stuff for my hobbies, and a lot of it is arriving, so I'm really pleased. I have stuff to do hobby-wise, and you know, maybe you'll get into it as well. What I ordered was a box of lead figures, and I'm just going to show you what's in the box, and we'll sort it out and show you before and after. So there you go. Let's get unpacking. So there we go. Let's get unpacking here. See what we got. There was a lot of damaged lead figures in here. There's a lot of horses here. Can you see that? Let's put them out so you can see them. I'm going to pull these tools back a bit so it's a bit of a mess here, but that's okay. A lot of feet missing and legs. It's going to be a problem. Of course, this one has all four missing. Cannon without a wheel. But you know, there's some good stuff in here. Here's a nice plow horse that's actually mounted. It needs just a little bit of the holes filled. I think I'll just repair that. So, I mean, I would say that is one that's really, really good options. This leg can be repaired on this one. So that would be two of the horses. And I don't know about the cows and that, but we'll leave that till later. I'll do the before and after. Now I'm going to get all the horses. This guy is definitely going to be repaired because he's really cool looking, right? If you can see that. Go over that way a bit more with it all. So I'll put a leg on this horse for sure because he's got a rider and I like that. A couple more horses, pretty damaged. We'll see what we're going to do with those. Put them on the pile there. Horse, 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 horse. Okay, get all the animals out right now. No idea what this lump is. Looks like a lump of stone or something. Put it aside, I have not a clue what that is. Pig looks okay. I think I'll just leave the pig. So that's a done deal. The horse is a done deal. That's two that are done. Not the greatest. All four legs missing. Quite a bit of pieces missing here on this small horse. This one's quite intact. There's three. Little calf with the leg missing. We'll look at that later. All the small stuff. Get into the military now. A lady missing an arm. Easily repair. Missing two arms, which will be a bit of fun. So I'll put that in there. And we'll count these all up in the end, right? There we go. What else we got? Oh, excellent. A man without a head. Always like that. A drummer. Ooh. Needs a drummer stick and a head. I like that one. This is definitely going to be done with 2 feet. Arm missing. Can be done. This one will be put on hold because missing arms and head. Missing head and hand. Easy to repair. We'll do a little bit of them and we'll do some epoxy on the others. Wheelbarrow man has to be repaired always. Gun missing, easier. Just a little nail. This guy seems to be done with the little steering wheel. It's just a little statue thing. And a man with a little gun, which is laid flat, which is completed as well. Here's another one of these men with nothing, just no head and no thing. Here we go. Man without legs, which I like. Playing the cymbals. He'll definitely be done. And what else we got? Man with the head to be put on. I found the head and it's either the head on there, but it's not glued on. We can do that one. A couple more. Man without head and without rifle and all sorts. So not too sure in the pile. Man with no arms. Most likely wheelbarrow man as well. Can make it whatever we want. I'm going to hold off, but that will be done. I'll do a batch as I go along. Another head. Another 2 heads. And 2 stands. And as far as I gather, this stand goes to a little guy that I saw earlier on. Here, this fella. Oh, is that in the picture there? Oh, that and that can go together. So I'm sorting it, you know. I have another man's head that can go on one of these soldiers. Right? And here's another head. And she's missing her arm. I think that's it. And what's left in the box is just little odds and ends. There's a little grey thing I might fix up later on in that. An old wheel that's not worth fixing in that. So I'm just going to leave that in there, the junk. So that's what I got, the batch, and I'm going to start fixing them up. And I'll show you the before and afters.